Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see another problem in power electronics. The question is, a 220 volt, 20 ampere, 1000 RPM separately excited DC motor has an armature resistance of 2.5 ohms. The motor is controlled by a step-down chopper with a frequency of 1 kHz. The input DC voltage to the chopper is 250 volt. The duty cycle of the chopper for the motor to operate at speed of 600 RPM, delivering the rated torque will be option A 0.518, option B 0.608, option C 0.852, and option D 0.902. This is a multiple choice question. We need to calculate the answer and tick the correct option. The solution of the given problem is given. We know that back EMF is equal to VR minus IARA, and this back VR, it is given as 220 volt. That is, VR is nothing but the rated voltage. So E1 is the back EMF at the rated condition, which can be written as 220. VR is given as 220 minus 20. IA rated current is given as 20, and the armature resistance is given as 2.5. So 220 minus 20 into 2.5, which will be equal to 170 volts. So back EMF at the rated condition will be 170 volts. And it is asked to find out the duty cycle of the chopper at 600 RPM to operate for the motor to operate at 600 RPM. So we need to find out the back EMF at 600 RPM. That back EMF can be found by using the formula E2 by E1 equal to N2 by N1, because the back EMF is directly proportional to the speed. So E2 can be found as 170 into 600 by 1000, which is equal to 102 volts. This is the back EMF at 600 RPM. Now for this back EMF, we need to find out the armature voltage. So VA can be written as E2 plus IARA, and we can take IARA. IA is equal to the rated condition itself, because it is given that the duty cycle of the chopper for the motor to operate at the speed of 600 RPM, delivering the rated torque. If the torque is rated, then the current will also be rated current. So we can take IA equal to the rated value itself. So IA into RA will be 20 into 2.5, which will be 50. So VA equal to E2, that is at 600 RPM, which we found it as 102, plus 50 equal to 152 volts. And this VA is now coming from the chopper. We know that for step down chopper, VA, that is average output voltage, is equal to duty cycle into the source voltage, which is Vs. And it is given that input DC voltage to the chopper is given as 250. We need to find out delta. So del equal to VA is 152 divided by the input DC voltage, which is 250, which is equal to 0.608. So the required answer is 0.608. So option B is correct. Thank you.